Okay, I think that I can find a middle way between M code and the interface. So this is your solution, which I really like because this is also showing a method strategy to get to the results that we need. And we got the result here. Let's just delete this steps and then let's go to add column. Instead of using conditional column that is asking us the clauses if and else, and which doesn't give me and or, I can use custom column and use my own conditional, right? So conditional, I need item status is not supposed to be item type, or part number is not supposed to be base part. So what I got this here, we just select true, and then we got the result. It's just two steps. If we go to advanced editor now I'm sure you are going to remember this from VBA. You remember how we do that? So we record a macro and then we look at the code, and the code is ridiculously I mean, it's very funny code because it's just select range and then delete that selection or whatever. We just delete range.select and then delete selection.delete, right? We just use range.delete. So what we are going to do here in this code now, just get this part and then replace with this and then remove this step, and of course use this identifier instead of the remote edit custom, and then voila, you got it, right? It's just one step. That's it.